Hello, welcome back. So on Friday of last week, we did this sound, didn't we? So we did A. Can you say that for me? A. 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 Well done. Can you remember the rhyme? So I'm going to show it to you now, and I want you to shout it at the screen. A. 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 Snail in the rain. A. Snail in the rain. One more time, shout it for me. Well done. Right, today we are going to look at another digraph. And we're still doing our set 3 sounds, aren't we? So this one is 2 letters that make up one sound, and it's the sound O. Can you say that for me? O. 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 Can you say it in a big, loud, shouty voice now? O. O. Can you say it in a really quiet voice now? O. O. Well done. Right, on the back we've got our nice little picture and our rhyme, remember, to help us remember this sound. So we've got a goat and it's in a boat. So our rhyme is O, goat in a boat. You ready? Copy what I say. O, goat in a boat. O, goat in a boat. Well done. Right, what we are going to do now is we are going to have a go at reading some words that have got our sound of the day in. So let's start with this one. Remember to look for our special friends, and I've got the sound buttons underneath to help us read them. Are you ready? So we've got k, oats, coat. Can you have a go at saying this one for me? K, oat. Blend it together. Well done. Let's have a look at another one. Ooh, bit of a trickier one, this one. Just let me do my sound buttons. Oats. Oats. Float. Can you have a go at saying this one? Oats. Oats. Well done. Right, let's have a look at another one. Let's do this. Well, Wizard sometimes wears one of these and hides his wand up his sleeve in his oak. Oak. Can you say this one for me? Cloak. Have a go at sounding it out. Oak. Cloak. Well done. One more. Oh, these are often around castles to keep out people. We've got a oat, moat. Oat, moat. Can you have a go at saying this one for me? Oat, moat. Well done. Right, I'm going to try and trick you now, because we are going to have a go at reading one of these words. Well, this word. But we've already read part of it, and it's got 2 sets of special friends in. So it's oat ing, oat ing, floating. Can you say this one for me? Oat ing. One more time. Well done. Right. Get ready with your whiteboards and pen, please, because we are going to have a go at writing some of these words using our sound. Let's get our Fred fingers ready. Let's have a go at this word. Let's do the word boat. B-oat. B-oat. Got 3 sounds. Let's pinch them. B-oat. B-oat. Boat. Have a go at writing the word boat for me. B-oat. B-oat. Boat. Well done. Give yourself a little tip for your O and a tip for your T. Well done. Right, the next word, let's do the word goat. Like O, goat in a boat. G, oat. G, oat. G, oat. Let's pinch them. G, oat. Goat. Have a go at writing that one. Goat. Remember, use your thread fingers if you find them a little bit tricky. G, oat. G, oat. Well done. Give yourself a tick for your G, tick for your O, and a tick for your T. Well done. Right, let's do 2 more. Are you ready? Let's do the word, cloak, a wizard's cloak. So we got K, L, O, K, K, L, O, K. Let's pinch them. K, L, O, K. How many sounds make up cloak? That's right, it's 4. K, L, O, K. Pinch them again. K, L, O, K. Well done, have a go at writing it, and don't be tricked by the different K sounds. Cloak. K, L, O, K. Well done. Tick for your K. Make sure it's a curly one at the start. A tick for your L. Tick for your O. And a tick for your K at the end. But it's a kicking K at the end, isn't it? Well done. Right, last word. I'm going to try and trick you now. Let's throw 2 sets of special friends into this word. Let's do the word floating. Okay, let's get our thread fingers ready. Float. Ng. Ooh. Float. Ng. Floating. How many sounds made up floating? That's right, it's 6. Can't pinch them, I've not got enough hands. So I'll tap them instead. Float. Ng. Floating. Have a go at writing that one for me. Are you ready? Float. Ng. Floating. Right. You can give yourselves a tick for your F, a tick for your L, tick for your O, tick for your T, tick for your I, tick for your Ng. Well done. Right. Remember, this is today's sound. O, goatina. Well done. I'm going to mix this up into our sound cards. So we've got a mixture of set 2 and set 3 today, just so we can do some recapping as well. I want you to say the sounds as you see them, and when you see our O, goat in a boat, I want you to shout it at the screen, okay? So we've got A, ow, E, O, A, O, goat in a. Well done. Right, let's get ready to mix them up again. Remember, when you see O, goat in a boat, you need to shout it nice and loud, don't you? You ready? A, I, O, E, ow, O, goat in a. Well done, one more time. I want to hear you shout it when you're saying them. Nice and loud. What's this one? I, O, goat in a. Well done. Well done for today's lesson, and I will see you tomorrow.